Good morning, everyone. We have today that project evaluation unit 2. The project evaluation is a systematic method for collecting, analyzing, and using that information to answer the questions about the project policies under the programs, particularly about their effectiveness and efficiency. The project evaluation is a high level assessment of the project to see whether it is a worthwhile to proceed with the project, to see whether that project fit in that strategic planning of the whole organization. The project evaluation used to they want to decide whether the project can be the before it is too late, or want to the decide which of the several alternative project has been the better success and rate and higher turnover or higher. Is it is a desirable carrying out of development and operation of the system. The project evaluation done by the senior management and project manager, team leader, and project evaluation is here the strategic assessment, technical assessment, economic assessment. The strategic assessment is the first criteria for the project evaluation. For the evaluating and managing the projects, and individual projects should be seen as the components of the program. Hence, need to be the program management. The program management is a DC firms define the program as a group of the projects that are managed in the coordinate way to gain the benefit that would not be the possible where the project to be the managed independently. The program in this the context is a collection of the project that all the contribute to same overall the organization goals. Effective program management and records that is well defined the program. The goal and that all the organization projects are selected and tuned that contribute to this goal. Yeah, the evaluating the project is depends upon that how it is a contributes a program goal. It is the ability, the capability of the developing or using timing and resourcing for the successful strategic assessment. There should be that strategic plan which defines the organization objectives and the provide context of the defining program and provide the context of the define the program goals and context of the accessing individual projects. And the typical issues and questions will be the considered that during strategic assessment. The issues one that objectives. How will the proposed system the contribute to the organization stated and the objectives? How for the example may it contribute it in the increase in market stats? And the issues two that is plan. How does a proposed system that is fit in the is plan, which existing system will it is a replace and the interface with that? How will they interact with the systems and proposed or the later? Development. The issues three, the organization structure. What effect will the new system have on the existing departmental or organization structure? For example, the new sales and ordering processing that system overlap existing sales and stock control functions. The issues four that the MI has is what is the information will the system provide that what levels in that organization, in that what way will that complement in the exchange existing management information system then is used by the personnel. In what way will the system purpose systems affect the managing levels and the existing employee skill base? What are the implications for the organization overall policy on the staff development? Here have the image 6. I can given that what will be the effect the customer attitude towards to be the organization will be that adoptions of say automated system conflict that with the objectives providing the friendly services. The portfolio management provides an overview of all the projects an organization undertaking, or it is a considered prioritize allocation of resources and projects and decides which project should be the respected, which existing the ones should be the dropped. The concerns the project portfolio management includes identifying that which project proposals or what implementation and assessing that amount of risk failure that potential project as deciding how the shared limited resources and including staff time and the finance between the project being that aware of the dependency and between the project, ensuring that project don't duplicate benefits, ensuring that necessary developments have been that inadequately been missed. There are the key aspects of project portfolio management are portfolio definition, portfolio management, and the portfolio optimization. The technical assessment here, the second criteria for the evaluation of project technical assessment, it is a proposed system of evaluation functionally against the available hardware, software, and limitations. The natures of the solutions release the strategic information system plans, the cost of solutions, hence undergoes the cost of benefits analysis. It is also that refer the technology evaluation The technology assessment is a right up in the technical aspects of the project sector and plan technical purchases. The technology is defined that broadly here to include equipment and tools and products and process and raw materials and skills and way of organizing production. We have the accessing technology planning that analyzes technology needs and the planning and for the change and technology assessing and the technology plan before and after implementation. The why it is important is a tool to identify the problem at the core of the any project is a series of big and small problems that needed to be addressed. For example, the not enough the production capacity, the stack of lack of required skills and overlay expensive transportations, and then reviewing the production process, including the system and equipment in the place, and provides a transparency into that what some of the constraints are the some wild and obvious but others may be the hidden until you take the closer look. Not all the constraints will be the technical, so that is that just one of the investigable tool needed to that it is a tool to identify the best solutions. Once you know that technical problems or that you can start to look for the solution, the technology assessment provides the opportunity to explore the potential solution. For example, that new equipment choices, we can the new crop varieties and the new fertilizers and changes the process. The guarantee of that often as a solution in the mind when they are the proposed the project, but further the analysis can lead to more creative and better fitting and the more cost effective solutions. The grant budget is a limited. So looking that is an option is a systematic way to the help of the guarantee understand that trade-off with the implementation of technical solutions and or other knowing this that they can make a more informed decision about using that scarce budget. The resource it is a tool for the communication, the write up the documents and background and the working thinking the technical issues and has gone into the project design and budget. There are more that people understand the logic of the proposal, the more can we help brainstorm and solutions help to catch the problems that might not have been the fully addressed. A clear presentation will reduce the questions and ADFW on the projects and proposal will help them to better understand the design choices and determine the not present in the data partner discussion within the guarantee of it is a serves and record and resource for the guarantee in the case of need to be the book and reconsider the option at a later. Here the purpose and technology assessment and provides an organization with the information about that profitability of current technology as well as the benefits of the implementing that new technology. In effective, the technology needs to be the upgraded and replaced and to produce the quality of the products and services. The types of assessment, the technology assessment can help happen at several levels and the flexibility and longevity and upgrade and self-assessment that to ensure that organization can remain that competitive every aspect of its technology. The system must be in the excellent operating conditions. Assessment on an overall four level improves can that happening. The flexibility, longevity and the flexibility assessment examines how technology will adapt to new levels of applications and other technology systems and longevity. Yeah, the assessment provides that information how long the technology will last. The upgrade scale assessments and upgrade assessments and determines the ability of the technology to function, which is the addition of the new and advanced features of the equipment. The scale assessment and consider the how well the technology can operate in the larger, ever growing and new network of systems. The growth of the organization means and developing that the larger technology systems and the new technology must be able to that incorporate into the new expanding networks. The evaluating technology options on the following factors. One is a fixed capital cost and the source of equipment and operational maintenance and replacement cost. The scale of the production expected activity can then reliability, the labor intensiveness for the labor cost and productivity, the type of amount of the input records and raw materials availability, sustainability cost, the effects on the product quality. Here have the cost and marketability, foreign exchanges, and the natural resource and the requirements sustainability and compatibility extend the technology in the human resource requirements and supervision of cost. The cost benefit analysis, the economic assessment, consider whether the project is the best among the options and prioritize a project that can assure that allocated effectively if several projects are underway. That the cost benefit analysis and cost flow forecasting, various cost benefit evaluation techniques of what is one of the important and common way of carrying economic assessment of the proposed information system. This is done by the comparing the expected cost and development and the operation system. Any project aiming at the return of the investment must provide the greater benefit than putting that investment in a bank. And so it is taken into the account the expected cost development of the system and the expected cost of the operation system and benefits obtained. And the assessment is based on that whether the estimated costs are executed by the estimated income and by other the benefits. For achieving the benefits, where there is a scarce resources, project will be the prioritized and the resources are allocated effectively. The standard way of evaluating economic benefits of the project is done by the cost of benefit analysis. The three types of the cost, one is the development cost and setup cost and the operational cost. Here have the development cost includes the salary, other employment cost of staff employed, and the setup cost includes the cost of implementation of the system such as the hardware and that the file conversation and the equipment staff training. The operational cost, the cost required the operating system. The after it is installed, there are three categories of benefits. The direct benefits and directly applying the benefits by taking that operating the system. The examples of reducing the salary bills and through the introductions of new systems and assessment. Indirect benefits. These benefits are the applied due to the updations and upgrading the performance of the current systems. It is also the second benefits. For example, the user of uses a friendly screen, which is a promote the reduction. Is there is that the increases in benefits, intangible benefits. You have that these benefits are longer term difficult to quantity. It is also referred the increased benefits. The example, the enhanced jobs, interest lights, reduction of staff turnover into the turn leads to lower equipment cost.